We'll guide you through how to delete apps on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, for whatever reason you want to do this, perhaps you no longer use the app and so you don't want it anymore, and then you can go and free up the space for it. So we're going to guide you through how it's done. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, as you don't want to miss anything important. You can swipe up like this and start seeing different apps. What we need to do though is go and locate settings. So you can go and search the top if you want, or swipe across and find it. It should be on the first page there. Now you want to go and start scrolling down, and we need to go and find the option for apps and go and tap there. Wait for this to load. And this is just loading all of the apps on your device. What you'll be able to do is go and press search in the top right there. Or you can go and scroll down here and find the app that you want to go and delete. So I'm going to go and find it now. Let's go and say I want to do it with this app here. You can go and tap on it. You're going to be able to go and see some different options here. But to go and delete it, you want to find the uninstall option at the bottom. Tap there and press OK to confirm the decision. And that's it. And you can press more apps and repeat that.